So good morning everybody. Today is September 2nd. A day after my birthday. Chill vibes, I'm going and go on the farm with daddy. It's 8:38 in the morning. I still have on my pajamas bag up back. On some clothes that I don't mind till I get dirty or whatever. So, yeah, I'll be back in a change of outfits. Oh, but let me show you these pajamas. They look real good. Like these with the pants. Oh wait, I can't see. Yeah, I thought the pants would have be longer on my legs, but because my legs long, they look like high waters. So we gotta work with what we get, Yeah. So yeah, guys, this is the farm attire right now. I know it's what I had on yesterday in the previous video, but whatever, man. I go put on socks or something because I really despise grass. Like, I don't like it. I don't like it touching my skin. Nothing. So yeah, now. So next time I see me, we gonna be on the grass. So okay. So yeah, guys, we are about to.
We
I'm
need
here
to watch cause
at the ground.
we need to watch daddy.
No, I go down and help him. Yeah, guys. So I'm about to go help my dad because old McDonald had fun. Psych, now let me stop. Well, now I'm going and help him. Yeah, man. The process we're going to be doing today, Daddy?
Yeah, we're weeding some pepper plants.
Okay.
And getting the weeds.
That is what we're doing here now.
Alrighty, so what kind of plant, which pepper is this one?
Well, this is a bed, a mixture of
I'm gonna do
scorpion peppers
Mm-hmm.
and Scotch bonnet.
Okay. Well, I hear that. That's very spicy, Yeah, guys, I'm going on weed out the
peppers.
no, not the peppers. Them kind of plants are not supposed to be there. Yeah.
Right.
I did it.
I did it too.
Yeah.
That's one weed successfully pulled. Well, this is more than one, but it. Yeah, guys. So far, I didn't do much, but it looks great so far. I pull out some weed, Yeah.
You want this? I don't know how much you'll get.
I am done. I'm just going for a hat and some more water because, girl, the sun, morning sun baking. I don't know how you feel this is. And I switched back my hair yesterday after I did the twist out. Yeah, that's the tea. So yeah guys, I get hot and I get more water because ooh, that hot was needed, girly. So I'm going back and I'm going to continue to weed. So yeah guys, I'm about to do the mulching process. But farming real like is real working and it's like an exercise. I ain't gonna lie, you know. All I have to do now is stretch once I finish because this is a real good workout. And the sun red hot. Red hot. So yeah.
Right.
We get done now. Let's start.
So what will you do the mulch?
Alright, let me hear the explanation from that. What does this process consist of? Hold on, let me turn this thing on. Right, yeah, let me hear.
After you clear the weeds,
Right.
right?
Mm-hmm.
You take the fork or whatever instrument you have
Mm-hmm.
and just scrape the soil lightly around the root of the plant. Right?
Okay.
You have to loosen the soil up all around the plant
Mm-hmm.
so that water could
Pass. So-
enter the soil and get to the roots.
Mm-hmm.
You know? That is basically what the mulching is. You clear away the weeds. I mean, there are other things that you could do, other processes that you could use, other materials that you could use to put around the plant,
Mm-hmm.
like some dried grass or dead leaves or that kind of thing. We're not using that here this morning.
Okay guys, so you heard it from here. That's what mulching is. So now all of us see me try to do it. Either we hope it come out good. Oh, but watch how my fingers like dirty though, with like, well, not really to all there, but for me, I never really see my hands so dirty. And my toes too, but I ain't gonna show that because it's how weird people out there. Yeah guys, so I finished mulching. I just did 2. It was fun. It was fun. Guys, so
Let's go fishing.
Koyan, I just finished just now, eh?
Yeah.
Yes guys, so whew, that is a workout. Who would have thought? I would have never like that is a real good workout. Or maybe I just am unfit at the moment. But the gains, watch the muscles though. Yeah guys, this is what I'm about to eat for breakfast. Watermelon. It's very healthy, so don't even think about it commenting something crazy because I'm a hashtag skinny queen.
Daddy,
Skinny queen, you
I
know,
count no melon.
because I'm a skinny queen.
No.
Yes, everyone. So I'm gonna be cooking today.
Right, so put in some
Let me see.
what other hold it.
So
Put some inside in the pot.
the whole thing.
Not all.
There's some.
Put on it and then I can tell you. Put sure. Right. Right, so we're gonna make some split pea soup.
Split pea soup.
No meat. So come
No meat. No.
so we put.
We straighten this out.
We put enough. Just to kind of cover the bottom of the pressure cooker.
Okay.
So we're going to cook the peas. Put the split peas first.
Alright.
Split peas, these are kind of hard peas. So we're gonna pressure it.
Okay. So, anyways. So, how it look like so far, you know. So, oh, by the way, this is my first time cooking soup. So, that'd be interesting for you guys to join me on this said shit.
Right. Cover the pressure cooker.
So, hold on, I know. Right.
Nah, not from that angle. Take it off. Closer, right. Closer. Right, cover it. Make sure it flush.
I believe so.
Right. Now get the weight.
Oh, this?
Yeah. Alright, then put that. Alright, just rest it on the pot there. You don't have to tighten or anything, right? So that is the. You need to turn on the stove. Not that. Yes, that one. Yes. Turn it down a little bit. Right. So we don't want to give it too much heat. Not only will it burn, it may spill over.
Oh, you're here now. I real tired now. And it's not even like if it's 2 o'clock in the day, it's not midday, it's only 12:31, and I feel tired after that farming thing. But I still going and cook this food because I'm wavy material. Psych. I am. Go take me on it. That joke thing. Yeah, but I'm going to bring up this soup. Let me show you the outfit now. I'm looking like a granty, a cute little granty. I mix between a tanty and a granny. Yes, guys, so the peas box. Or even see, I hope. And I go down peel potatoes with this. I'm weak. Anyways, I'll do a montage and hopefully come out looking. Hopefully come out looking good. Let me fix this. Yes. Yeah.
Hold it, don't be afraid.
Hey guys, I'm back. Hey, but I ended up falling asleep, and I went upstairs and then I sleep. Cause that sun, I don't know if it's the sun, the labor. I didn't do that much. Me no. But I go downstairs and eat, and then I go down and edit my birthday vlog. So hopefully gonna finish exporting early today. Now. Yeah, that's the plan day. So it's the fight of the millennium. Hello guys, I'm back again. What did last time? All see me. I said I was feeling tired. Turns out I did take a nap and now I'm currently I edited my YouTube, my birthday vlog to upload to YouTube. But some clips just not exporting onto the application I using, right? So I don't know what to do, and I know the exporting processes take long, and I'm trying to upload this tomorrow because I'm trying to be a consistent queen here, you know. So just now I go eat. I probably gonna eat some. I might eat a piece of cake and then something for dinner. I got shoulder that, and then after that gonna be it, I believe, because me ain't gonna do nothing really. I might do some maths or accounts with my daddy. Me I know we gonna see, but I ain't gonna lie, that farming thing was tiring. I never would have thought. Well, I knew it was tiring, but ooh, that hot sun was hitting different, honestly. Hello guys, so basically it's 1:04 a.m. The video almost exporting it on 96.7%. Can put that down. I tell you go and find the popcorn that you just pelt.
I get
I got lucky out here. Seriously. But anyways guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I hope you
and put the belly button.
yeah, click the bell as Queen say. Hope you enjoy the video. Bye. Peace.